Okay, let's jump right into this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this amazing app called ReviewReel. We're going to check out some incredible features. I'm going to show you how to create professional and profitable product review videos for both physical and digital products that you can upload onto social media sites like YouTube, Facebook, and so on, and earn affiliate commission or promote your own products and services. This app is like a one-stop shop where you can simply input a few details about a product, answer a few short questions, and it will put together the whole thing for you. From creating an entire script, building a slide presentation for you, adding a voiceover from that script using incredible AI, to adding background music, images, and the works. Right, there's a lot to cover here, so let's get right into this. Okay, so once you've logged in, you'll land here on the dashboard. Welcome to ReviewReel. Here you can see all your existing video projects. You can see whether they're completed or if they're pending or rendering and so on. Then below is just an overview of the app. Now to create a review video, click over here on Create Review Video. Now the best thing about this app is you don't need to write a script for your review video, and you don't need to record a voiceover either. ReviewReel actually does this for you automatically using AI, and it'll sound just like how this demo sounds right now. Alright, so once you're on this page, the first thing you'll do is give it a name. Let's say I'm going to create a review video for a set of headphones, and I'm going to promote this video with my Amazon affiliate link so I get commission paid by Amazon each time someone buys the product through my link, right? Now, to create the script, ReviewReel will ask a few basic questions. So, product name, I'll be reviewing the Bose 700 noise-canceling headphones. Product type, so these are headphones. If you're doing a software, you could say autoresponder or website builder and so on. All right? Here, we'll put in just a short description, like one line. High quality noise canceling headphones. Then over here, a detailed description. So you can find these details right from the product page. For example, if you go to Amazon.com, let's search Bose 700. Then open up any one of these. You can find a detailed description that you can just copy and paste. Then here you can upload an image of the product. I've downloaded one already, but you can just grab one from Google or wherever. And then here you can add the function. So what does the product do? With these headphones, you can listen to music. You can make or take calls, use touch controls, and wear with comfort. And the goal of the product is for you to enjoy a comfortable listening experience while helping you easily and seamlessly communicate. Okay? So really just some straightforward and simple answers you need to put in there. Then we come down to some more options that you can toggle on and off as you want. The more options you choose, the more detailed the script is going to end up. So for pros and cons, you can write a few good and bad things about the product. I recommend adding at least 3 of each. So pros are high quality audio, sleek design, and extremely comfortable. Then for cons, we can say expensive, mediocre isolation, and not very sturdy. Okay, moving on. You can add specific features here. So you can give it a heading, then give the details about the feature, and you can also upload an image if you want. Again, you can get all the feature details right from the product site to make life easy. Just copy and paste. If you want to add more, you can just click on the plus sign over here, or alternatively delete by clicking here. Testimonials as well. So you can easily scroll down on the Amazon product page and just copy and paste the information right into here. So their name here, their review message here. You can also add an image if you want, but you don't have to. Okay, next is bonus. So if you're offering a bonus in the review, you can add that in here. Give it a name, add the value, so like $100 or $200, then a few details about it, and again, you can add an image. If you don't have a bonus, you can just switch this off and it will not be included in the script. And then here is where you can also add a demo video of the product to show, and you can easily import from YouTube, Vimeo, or any URL, or you can upload your own demo video if you have one. So let's just open up YouTube quick. Let's search Bose 700 demo. Let's just choose this first one for now. So copy the link and then paste it over here. And ReviewReel will add this to your video. Then lastly, you can come over here and choose a color theme for your video. So you can leave it as default if you want, or you can go in and adjust the colors as you like. All right, then once you're done, click on Create Video. Now what's going to happen is the app takes all the answers you've given and creates a script. It then takes that script and creates slides for you, and add voiceover, text, images, animation, everything for you. All right, so as you can see over here, it has created an entire script for you for each and every slide. Intro, outro, and everything in between. Here you have a bunch of different options that you can choose between. So here you can read through each of the intros and pick the one that you like. Let's pick this one. It's added animation already, the product image over here. You can customize the text. Just click up here, select the text. Then you can change the text, or you can change the font, style, and the color of it. And if you want to add this font style to all of the slides, you can just check this over here. Then down here, you've got all these slides created for you that you can also go in and fully customize from start to finish. So ReviewReel took all that information from the previous page and compiled a structured, fully written review, right? So if I go to the next slide, we can see the next part of the script. And again, you have so many options to choose from. So you can go through and change each and every slide as you want. You can add media, and there are thousands of stock images to choose from. Or you can upload your own. You can also add videos if you want. And all of these are royalty-free. Now, you can also go ahead and add voiceover to your video with just the click of a button. Check this out. Go over to the voiceover tab over here, and it will convert the script for this specific slide into a human-sounding voiceover using a powerful AI. Now, there's a bunch of different accents to choose from. And within each accent, you have different voices. You've got male and female voices as well, which is really cool because you can have different voices for each slide. So you can have a male for your introduction. Then you can add a female voiceover for the next few slides and then switch back to a male. So it just keeps the video interesting. Let's do a quick sample here. I'm going to go with a British accent. And let's just stick with Amy as the default. Click Generate, then Preview.
Welcome to my video review. Today, I'm giving you an in-department look at this new headphone called Bose 700 noise cancelling headphones.
It sounds great, right? So now if you want to use it, just click Save and Use, and it'll be added to your video. Alright, next you can also add some background music over here. And there's tons to pick from. Or you can also upload your own. Okay, then here in Settings, you can add a logo. You can add a watermark. Here you can adjust how long you want each slide to be. So by default, the length will be decided based on how long the voiceover is. But if you want to control it, then you can do that over here. You can also control the volume of the voiceover and the music over here. So if the music is too loud, then you can pull it down, or you can mix it however you like. You can also adjust the templates here. So if you don't like how this slide looks, then you can just pick another one from over here. Right, then below that, this is where you're going to add in your affiliate URL into the slide if you have one. Alright, then finally, over here, you can add an intro and an outro video. And that's about it. You can see it's super easy to do, and within minutes, you've got an awesome ready-to-use review video. Then all you have to do is hit save if you want to come back and work on it later, or if you're happy and you're done, click render. The project will then start rendering, and you can see it over here in the Projects tab. And once it's done, you'll be able to download it. Or if you come over to integrations, you can connect to multiple Facebook and YouTube accounts and upload directly to the channels or pages from the app, which is another really cool feature. Okay, so now just how we did that review for an Amazon product, you can also do the exact same thing for a ClickBank or JVZoo product. If we go back to the dashboard, create review video, and I'm going to use App Owls for this example. All right, so let's call it App Owls Demo. Here, App Owls. Product type is software. Brief description, we can say artificial intelligence assisted mobile app builder. Detailed description. So let me open up the site quick. And I'm just going to copy and paste this information here. Then let's upload an image. Function of the product is to create mobile apps. Goal is to automatically create incredible mobile apps with AI technology using just a keyword. So I'm just putting in the bare bones of the product just so we can get through the form quickly, all right? So pros and cons, we can say user-friendly, value for money, and saves time. For cons, let's say could have more features and limitations. Now for features, let's just scroll down on the site. All right, and then copy and paste a couple of them that are listed here. All right, this one, create iOS PWA mobile apps. Paste. Go back. Create and manage up to 100 mobile apps. Okay, and last one, create custom mobile app templates. All right, then testimonials. Again, let's just copy one right from the site. We can just use this one. Okay, then we can also add a bonus here. So back on the site, we scroll all the way down. And let's just choose SEO Software Pro. Let's just say the value is $100. All right. And then let's just open up YouTube. We can search App Owls demo. And I'll just pick this one. Okay, and then we'll just leave the color as it is for this one. Then click Create Video. All right, and as you can see, it's done all the work for you once again. It's created the script, the slides, and once again, you can go through and customize absolutely everything from start to finish. And then, of course, you'll come into the Settings tab, and you'll add in your affiliate code into the video so you can earn those commissions. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, you can just click on the support bubble down over here.